All right, I went around and cut the perimeter so I can flip it back. I haven't opened it yet. Yeah, you can see where it's wet, plain as day. It's right around this doorway. I think that's got to be the culprit, because I can't find anything else. So, and this one's going to be a little bit harder because the bed's in the way. But I don't have to go back all the way, I don't think. Probably go out to that first floor joist again and make a cut. This is wet, but it doesn't get soft until maybe somewhere in here. Hopefully this, we'll see. We'll see when we open her up. Alright, I figured out a way to hold this thing out of my way. I just used one of these friction clamps and rigged it over the door. I think I'll have room to work. Alright, I finally found my tools. I needed a new blade for this thing. Just took a while. Yeah, I got a ways. The other floor joist is over here. That ought to be pretty good. Well, this is a surprise. There's plumbing. And look at all these screws sticking out. When they did this thing, they missed big time. That was the other end was that way too. I don't know where all these pipes are running. The bathroom's over there. Okay, I'm ready to start doing some serious cuts. One-handed, how about? Well, my battery's out. Alright, well, I cut the tongue off of here. I don't need that. Clean this up a little bit. There's some of this construction adhesive. You know, this wafer board is so damn cheap. It's part of it stuck. So I'm going to have to bring that surface down so that the boards match up. I think since this is such a narrow place, I'm going to do it in pieces. Maybe I'll run it up to this doorway here, cut it out, lay my board in so I got something to kneel on, and then do that back part tomorrow. Alright, well, I haven't really done much in this part. I folded the vinyl back down. I have to let it flatten out, I guess. Kind of got curled up. I'm not going to try to tack it down. yet. I just letting it flatten out for a little bit. The main action is over here. I got a piece cut for in here, and now I gotta cut the. Now that I got something to sit on, I'm gonna go in there and cut the floor out, the wet part, and go from there. I had to cut a little bit out of this corner here. Then there was a damn head of a carriage bolt sticking out here. I don't know what that's supposed to be holding. Then I notched a little bit around under this jog in the doorway. But it's pretty flush, nice and flat. Okay, I just pulled up the piece subfloor. I can see the plumbing lines turned. Looks like more wetness on the outside wall. Alright, well, I'll get cleaning this up and move on. Okay, I cleaned it out, put the insulation down, and screwed the boards down. Next thing is fill the cracks.